Theory paper syllabus for 12th class physical education according to CBSE. There are 10 chapters. Unit number 1, Planning in Sports. In this unit, we are going to learn meaning and objectives of the planning, various committees and their responsibilities, tournament like knockout, league, round robin and combination, procedure to draft fixtures, knockout, league, intramural and extramural, their objectives and significance. Specific sports program, sports day, health run, run for specific cause and run for the unity. Unit number 2, that is sports and nutrition. In this unit, we will see the balanced diet and nutrition, macro and micro, nutritive and non-nutritive components of the diet, eating for weight control, healthy weight, the pitfall of the dieting, food intolerance and food myths. Next unit is yoga and lifestyle. In this unit, we are going to learn about the asanas and various lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, back pain. And also, we are going to elaborate that the asanas that can able to cure these lifestyle diseases. Next unit is unit number 4, that is physical education and sports for CWN. CWN here means the children with special needs, that is Divyang. So here in this chapter we are going to understand about the concept of the disability and disorder, types of disability, its causes and nature, types of disorders like ADSD, SED, ASD, ODD, OCD. Then next we are going to understand about the disabilities etiquettes, advantages of the physical activity for the children with special needs, and what are the strategies to make physical activities accessible for the children with the special needs. Next unit, that is unit number 5, children and women in sports. In this unit, we are going to understand about the motor development and factors affecting it, exercise guidelines at different stages of the growth and development, common postural deformities like knock knee, flat foot, round shoulders, lordosis, calfs, bow legs and scoliosis and their corrective measures, sports participation of the women in India, special consideration like menstrual dysfunctioning and menarche, female athletes strides, osteoporosis, eating disorders. Next unit, that is unit number 6, is test and measurement in the sports. In this chapter, we are going to understand about the motor fitness test, 50-meter standing starts, 600-meter run and walk, sit and reach, partial curl up, push-ups, boys, modified push-ups, standing broad jump, agility, shuttle run. Then next, general motor fitness. Then next, measurement of the cardiovascular fitness. In this, we are going to study about the Harvard step test and rope post test. Then there are other tests also. The computation of the fitness index, that is Ricklina-Jones, senior citizen fitness test, chair stand test for the lower body strength, arm curl test for the upper body strength, chair sit and reach test for the lower body flexibility, back scratch test for the upper body flexibility, 8 foot up and go test for agility, 6-minute walk test for aerobic endurance. Next, that is physiology and injury in sports. In this chapter, we are going to understand about the physiological factors determining components of the physical fitness, effect of exercise on the cardiorespiratory system, effect of exercise on muscular, physiology changes due to aging and sports injuries, various types of sports injury like soft tissue injury, abrasion, contusion, lacration, incision, sprain and strain, bone and joint injuries like dislocation, fractures, stress fracture, green stick and other fractures. Then last is first aid, aim and objectives. Next unit is biomechanics and sports. In this unit, we are going to learn about the meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports, types of movements like flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, Newton's laws of motion and its application in sports, and last but not least, that is friction and sports. Unit number 9, that is psychology and sports. In this unit, we are going to understand about the personality and types of personality, motivation, then what are the strategies for enhancing the adherence to exercise, then meaning and concept of the types of aggression in the sports. Next unit, that is training in sports, and final, that is 10th unit. In this unit, we are going to understand about the strength, various types of strength, their definition, and what are the methods to improve the various types of strength. Then next topic is endurance, types of endurance, and interval training, continuous training, footwork training. Speed, definition, types of methods to develop the speed. Flexibility, types of flexibility, and what are the methods to improve the flexibility. Next is coordination ability, definition and types. Then last one but not least, that is circuit training, introduction and importance. That's all about the whole syllabus.